So one of our largest clients, has built, as far as from an automation, and probably, from a numbers perspective, that doesn't tell you the whole tale, but they're approaching almost 400 automations or bots today. But more importantly, the dollar value, right? They're over 150 million dollars, all set across both labor and non-labor benefits. But what's really interesting is where they're taking their journey. What was initially a start of, hey, let's use intelligent automation to go look at where there's tasks, but now they've expanded into essentially taking and coupling automation with a couple different things. First and foremost is using automation to essentially go tackle some of the other sort of front office tasks, which may require some amount of conversational AI embedded with automation, to within like everything from their supply chain, receiving docs, and within accounts payable, invoice processing using tech extraction on things like bills of lading or invoice processing. So they're really expanding and pushing pretty aggressively now into some of these other more intelligent areas of automation. I'll say that's one thing which I'm seeing play out for at least one of our clients, who I think is probably a market leader.